Hi world, my name is Gary Crosby and I'm one of the owners and one of the artists at ddwoodcarving.com. So this one is called Eyes, and the intent that I had with this one was to show that your eyes are wide open when you have a conversation about climate change, because there's no denying it. It's there. There will be people who will deny it, there will be people discussing everything else, but the rest of us, the majority of the population, our eyes are wide open and we know it's there. And we know we're not doing enough. And we know we have to do more. It's about each of us doing our own part to help solve the problems of climate change and bring us to a more greener, sustainable life. So, technically, aspects for this piece, it was again made from hardwood flooring, recycled hardwood flooring. Uh, there's three main elements to the piece. The glasses itself are all laminated together, nice and strong. And then the eyepiece were carved separately, again using wood burning techniques and wood carving sculpted and epoxy to give it more of a natural look. And then bending of wood. If you've never bent wood before, it's really quite an interesting process. And the bottom of the glasses are actually bent wood, the bent oak. So I took some stripping off a piece of hardwood flooring, oak, and threw it into a steam bender and waited half an hour, pulled it out and bent it into shape, into the position, and then screwed it on so it stays and sealed it so it stays there. It's a pretty cool piece. It's eye-catching. Sorry, I had to say that. But when it sits on a wall, it does catch your eye. It pulls you in. You're like, what is that all about? You're attracted to it. And I personally believe that art should be that way. I mean, I like to call myself, as an artist, I'm on a quest to create a piece of artwork that it draws you in and it won't let you go, and you completely understand what it's all about. It's cool. It's something you just can't let go when you see it. So we hope you enjoy the show. Hope you enjoy your time here. There's a lot of talented artists in this show. It's a lot of really nice artwork. So enjoy yourself. Take a look around. Hit the QR codes. See what it's all about.